Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Trim to pay down student loans. Paying down student loans can feel overwhelming, but Trim helps you to take control of that. Let me show you how to do it. First, start by linking your student loan accounts to Trim if supported. If direct linking isn't available, you can manually track payments by categorizing them under student loans in your transaction history. Next, set a monthly loan payment goal in Trim's Saving Goal feature. You can automate transfers in a dedicated savings bucket just for student debt. Trim also helps you to identify unnecessary subscriptions and cut them out. The money saved redirected towards your loan. You can enable spending alerts to make sure that you don't go over budget and to stay on track with extra payments. Finally, use Trim's financial insights to review how much you've paid over time. Small wins add up and Trim keeps you motivated. With Trim, every step you take gets you closer to financial freedom. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.